Overcoming language setbacks. Understanding the phrase, setback. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, setback. This word is not only popular in everyday conversations but also quite significant in understanding the nuances of the English language. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, comprehending phrases like this can enhance your fluency and understanding of the language. So, let's get started. The word, setback, refers to an obstacle or delay in progress. It's something that slows you down or prevents you from achieving your goals as quickly as you had hoped. A setback can be big or small, and it can happen in any area of life: personal, professional, educational, etc. For example, if you're learning English and you find a particular concept difficult to understand, this can be considered a language learning setback. Now, let's see how to use setback in different sentences. This will help you understand the context in which it can be applied. 1. After a minor setback, I faced a minor setback in my project, but I'm working to overcome it. 2. Setback as a challenge. The new regulation posed a significant setback for the company. 3. Personal setbacks. Despite several setbacks in her career, she remained determined to succeed. By using it in various sentences, you get a feel for how versatile the word is. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your vocabulary. Some synonyms for setback include obstacle, hindrance, difficulty, challenge. These words can often be used interchangeably depending on the context. When learning a new word, it's important to know the common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't confuse with similar sounding words. For example, setback should not be confused with set up or step back. 2. Context matters. Be careful not to use setback in a positive context since it generally denotes something negative or challenging. Understanding and using the word setback correctly can be a great addition to your English vocabulary. Remember, encountering setbacks is a natural part of learning a new language, and overcoming them is what makes the journey rewarding. I hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this important word. Keep practicing, and don't let any setbacks hinder your learning progress. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.